What?
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, southeastern Kalamazoo County in southwestern Michigan, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an area of severe thunderstorm was located near Marshall and Albion, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour.
My SVR14.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albion, Marshall, Homer, Union City, Burlington, Fulton, Baringo, Athens, Tecumseh, Pine Creek, Ceresco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Albion, Marshall, Homer, Union City, Burlington, Fulton, Baringo, Athens, 5 nautical miles from shore. Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Come on. You can do it. Come on. Yeah.
National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun
That's a
County
problem
in
to fix.
south-central Michigan.